You won't believe what I found out about this thing called ossia score. It's a sequencer that merges audio and video art. Like, how cool is that?
Right? I mean, it's wild how it lets you control OSC, MIDI, DMX, and even IoT protocols all in one place. That's so versatile.
Exactly. Picture an artist mixing sound and visuals live. It's like being a conductor, but for an entire multimedia orchestra.
Totally. And think about the programming languages you can use. JavaScript, Pure Data. That's a huge variety for anyone creating interactive shows.
Okay, pause for a second. The fact that you can work with everything from Raspberry Pi to full desktop setups, that's perfect for accessibility.
And imagine the possibilities there. You could bring live coding into art spaces or classrooms using simple devices everyone has.
Right, and it processes visual formats through Spout and Siphon. You could seamlessly integrate visuals with audio.
Oh, for sure. That opens a whole new realm for performances. Artists can really interact with the audience in real time.
And the way it sonifies big data sets, that's like turning raw data into art. I'm trying to wrap my head around that.
I know, right? So when you take complex data sets and turn them into sound and visuals, it essentially makes data more digestible.
That's mind-blowing. It's like transforming numbers into feelings. But how does it even work? Like, what's the behind-the-scenes magic?
Great question. It leverages a scripting interface, which makes it super adaptable. You can manipulate everything live.
Live coding? That gives me chills. It's like being an artist and programmer simultaneously.
Exactly. Plus, with its open source nature, anyone can contribute or build plugins. Talk about community-driven innovation.
Speaking of plugins, customizing your own features is such a cool feature. It encourages creativity.
Totally. I mean, if there's a specific need at a show, artists can just create a plugin to fit that. Super empowering.
And the update process is pretty straightforward too, right? Just git pull and you're good to go.
Yes, it shows they really thought about keeping it user-friendly. That's crucial for creators who just want to focus on their craft.
So you could literally be at a performance, see something you want to improve, and then update it on the fly.
Exactly. And that back and forth with a live audience is what makes it so dynamic. It's a living art form.
Could you imagine attending a show where everything changes based on audience reactions? Wild!
Oh, for sure. That interactive engagement makes performances more memorable. It breaks the fourth wall.
And think about integrating all those newer techs like BLE sensors. It just keeps expanding.
It's nonstop growth. Each session could be completely different based on what tech and data they use.
What I'm finding fascinating is the way it connects not just artists to tech, but people to experiences.
Exactly. It's about inclusivity in the arts. Everyone can engage, whether they're creators or spectators.
All right, let me bring it back to basics. This is essentially a bridge between art, technology, and the audience.
Yes, and just think about this. How often do you see tech and art blending so seamlessly?
Not often enough. It's so refreshing and opens up so many possibilities for future projects.
Plus, the open source aspect means it can evolve with the community. That's adaptability at its finest.
Okay, I'm hooked. So if there's one takeaway here, it's that ossia Score isn't just software. It's a catalyst for artistic expression.
Absolutely. It empowers artists and connects people through interactive experiences. How exciting is that?
I can't wait to see what artists will create with this. Each piece could be a reflection of the audience.
And that's the magic of it. I mean, it keeps evolving with every show. What's next for audiovisual art?
The possibilities feel endless. But what do you think this means for the future of live performances?
Honestly, it could revolutionize how we view art. Artists might prioritize audience interaction even more.
Right? This is going to push boundaries. I'm excited to see where this goes.
Me too. And it's inspiring to think about how creativity will continue to adapt to new technologies.
So what's next for us? Should we jump into the Discord and see what other creatives are doing?
Definitely. Engaging with that community will surely spark more ideas. Let's see what's brewing.
All right, let's go explore that world. Who knows what we'll discover next?
Exactly. Here's to the next wave of creativity and innovation. I can't wait.